March 3, 1969. Apollo 9, the third crewed mission of NASA's Apollo program, stood tall on the launch pad, primed and ready to push the boundaries of space exploration. It was a day of anticipation and excitement, the culmination of years of relentless effort and unwavering dedication. The mission was a crucial stepping stone in the grand endeavor to land a man on the moon. The objectives were clear and challenging: to test the lunar module, evaluate the command module's systems in a space environment, and conduct a spacewalk. This daring voyage was entrusted to a trio of astronauts, each an expert in their field. Commanding Apollo 9 was James McDivitt, a seasoned astronaut and engineer. Alongside him were David Scott, the command module pilot, and Russell Schweickart, the lunar module pilot. Aboard this spacecraft, these three men were set to embark on a journey that would forever etch their names in the annals of space exploration history. As Apollo 9 entered Earth's orbit, the crew initiated a series of tests on the lunar module. This module, a spacecraft specifically designed for the moon's surface, was untested in real-world conditions. The crew had to ensure that it would function as expected in the vacuum of space, and the Earth's orbit provided the perfect testing ground. The lunar module, affectionately nicknamed Spider, was a marvel of human ingenuity. It was designed to detach from the command module, gumdrop, and operate independently. But could it do so under the extreme conditions of space? The crew of Apollo 9 set about answering this question. They performed a series of crucial maneuvers, testing the Spider's ability to separate from gumdrop and then redock. This was a rehearsal, a crucial step in preparing for the actual lunar landing missions to come. Nicknamed Spider, the lunar module detached from the command module, gumdrop, and performed crucial maneuvers that simulated rendezvous and docking, a rehearsal for future lunar landings. The mission's daring spacewalk featured Russell Schweickart stepping outside the spacecraft to test the feasibility of working in space. It was a bold move, a leap into the unknown that would define the possibilities for future missions. Schweickart, clad in his spacesuit, exited the lunar module, Spider stepping into the void with nothing but a tether securing him to the spacecraft. He was the embodiment of human curiosity, the adventurer treading where no one had before. The spacewalk lasted a little over 37 minutes, a brief period in time that had a lasting impact. It was during this period that the world held its breath, witnessing a human being floating in the vacuum of space, tethered to a spacecraft circling the Earth. This spacewalk was not just a test of equipment or procedures. It was a testament to human courage and ingenuity, a clear demonstration of our potential to push boundaries. This marked a significant milestone, the first time an astronaut floated freely in the vacuum of space, tethered to the spacecraft. Beyond the lunar module tests, Apollo 9 served as an Earth observation platform. This mission took advantage of its unique vantage point to study our home planet in ways not possible from the ground. With cameras and other scientific instruments aboard, the crew monitored Earth's weather patterns, atmospheric conditions, and geological features. They observed the swirling clouds of hurricanes, the shimmering ribbons of the auroras, and the vast expanse of oceans, forests, and deserts. The astronauts also conducted experiments to understand the effects of microgravity on physical and biological systems. This included studies on fluid dynamics, human physiology, and even the behavior of small creatures like spiders and bees in a weightless environment. Such experiments provided crucial insights for future space missions and contributed to advancements in various fields of science. Apollo 9 was not just a lunar mission, it was an orbiting laboratory. Having achieved its objectives, Apollo 9 initiated its return journey. The crew, with their spirits high and mission accomplished, began the descent back to Earth. As the command module re-entered the Earth's atmosphere, it was a spectacle of human achievement. The world held its breath, waiting for the safe return of these brave explorers. On March 13, 1969, the spacecraft splashed down in the Atlantic Ocean, completing a mission that had paved the way for the lunar landings to come. The legacy of Apollo 9 is imprinted in the success of the lunar program. This remarkable mission, led by astronauts McDivitt, Scott, and Schweickart, tested the lunar module and gathered invaluable scientific data, laying the groundwork for future lunar landings. Their voyage beyond our planet's orbit was not just a journey through space. It was a leap towards mankind's dream of reaching the moon. McDivitt, Scott, and Schweickart had not only circled the Earth, but had propelled humanity toward the moon.